Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can solve the dark page problem in MS Word. So first let's understand the problem. For example, if I open my MS Word right here, you can see that this is a normal page. But the problem with this page is that it is dark, although I have not changed any of the formatting settings from the page layout. So for example, if I go to the page design and go to the page color, you can see that the page color is white, but it is showing me a darker color or a shade of gray, you can say, instead of white. And if I choose to change the color, for example, I will choose it to black, then it will become white. So in order to solve this particular problem, all you need to do is click on this search bar and type for DARK, and you will see this option right here called the view with a dark page color. So all you need to do is simply tap on this option, and here you can see that the page has become white again. And now if I try to change the color, the black will be black and the white will be white. So I hope this step solves your problem. If it does, make sure to comment on this video and tell us how it goes. Also, consider liking this video if you like the content and share it as well. I'll see you in the next one. See you again. Bye bye.